So at this point, you can actually take your pre-existing knowledge of the topic and use that to your advantage as well. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, since we're using our youth ministry here as an example, let's say that I am interested in youth ministry and I'm writing this paper, but I know that most of the people who are writing about youth ministry, even at the academic level, are still nonetheless referring to it as youth ministry, even though it's classified by the Library of Congress as church work and youth. I can actually use that knowledge to help me find even more results that would be more narrowly tailored specifically to youth ministry. And I can do that through an advanced search. So you'll see that the link under the search box here says advanced search. If I click on that, it's going to allow me to do a new search based on the results that we previously had. So church work with youth is already ready to go in there as far as the subject heading. But now I'm going to add a field, and I'm going to put youth ministry, the phrase, in quotation marks so that it finds youth ministry together as a phrase rather than youth somewhere and ministry somewhere else. I'm going to change my field specifically to the text of the article. So my assumption here is that I'm searching within the correct subject heading, but I'm assuming that the author at some point in the article is going to use the phrase youth ministry. That's what I'm searching for here. So when I click search, you should do a new search all over again. And so it treats each one of these as a new search, which is why we have to go back in and apply the limiters each time. So I'm going to do academic journals again, peer-reviewed journals, change the date range. All right, and there we go, 520 results. And again, by backtracking in terms of what I know of these, each one is a journal article that's correctly classified under the right subject heading. That is from a peer-reviewed journal published within roughly about the past 10 years. And that also uses the phrase youth ministry somewhere within the text of the article itself.